Tools and equipment for installation: chisel, screwdriver, hammer, ruler, tape measure, ruler square, hole saw 20 mm, hole saw 40 mm, hole saw 54 mm, drill bit 1/8" hole saw 25 mm, drill bit 13 mm, mortise router, circlip pliers, electric drill, grinding machine. Step 1. Door measure and assessment. Find the center point for installation. Once the measurement is taken, mark a line. This point will depend on the homeowner's preference. Next, place the lock case for measurement, aligning the line with the center of the lock case. The center point of the lock case. Mark 4 lines in total to determine the position on the lock case side. Use the template to mark for drilling the hole for 5 positions on both sides. Mark a connecting line. Step 2. Drilling the guiding hole. Drill the guiding hole to the 7 positions marked on both sides using drill bit 1/8 inch. Next, drill using a 20 mm hole saw. Step 3. Cut the line to guide the mortise drilling. Mark a connecting line to cut. Cut using an angle grinder. Step 4. Install the lock case and key cylinder. Insert the lock case and mark the drilling. Insert the screw for the lock case. Insert the key cylinder. Test the key operation. Step 5. Install the digital door lock into the door. Install 2 M5, M4 screw connectors by tightening the M5 side securely to the lock. Install the latch rotation spindle by aligning the spindle slot with the lock installation direction. Connect the electrical wiring. Insert 2 screw. Test the operation. Install the plastic plate. Step 6. Drill the door frame. Close the door and mark the door frame. Use drill bit 1/8 inch to drill the guiding hole. Drill using a 10 mm drill bit. Cut using an angle grinder. Install the strike plate.